Hi, my name's Scott from Milwaukee. I'm the plumbing, drainage and HVAC rep for the Southwest and the South of Wales, and today we're with Data Power Tools to talk about our Force Logic press tools. To start us off then, we're going to go through our M12 HPT. So this particular tool is used for a residential plumber for pipe work that can vary between different profiles, more commonly M profile from 15, 22, 28 and 35 millimeters. Secondly then, we're going to look at the M18 BL HPT. So this tool here is still used for light residential work, but if you are tapping into commercial installations, this particular tool can then take you up to 67 millimeters with our range of jaws. Moving on to our next tool, so this is our M18 1 key BL HPT. It has the same capabilities as the previous 18 volt tool. It incorporates our 1 key technology, so this is something which my colleague Craig has demonstrated in a previous video, talking about 1 key and what its possibilities are. Our last tool to show you is our M18 XL press tool that allows you to press pipe diameters from 88.9 up to 108 millimeters. Paired with our new and improved M12 Inox Raptor, we can simply cut a piece of pipe in a matter of sub 5 seconds. Simply offer the pipe into the tool, and that will then give us a clean cut on our pipe. Now that we've cut our pipe, it's now time to assemble our tool. So by simply twisting the mechanism and opening, we'll take our chosen jaw, insert it into the tool, repeat the process but backwards. What we'll then do is we'll offer our piece of cut pipe into an elbow, like so. We'll then offer our tool up, open the jaws over the ring. Just here then we have some lights to say that the tool is live and ready to go. We simply push and hold. And now we have a successful press all ready for our next piece of pipe. For more information on any of the products we've discussed today, please contact Data Power Tools, where we can also arrange a live on-site trial and demonstration.